You look worried and sad. What happened? What's on your mind?
It's the mortgage and house rates. I don't see how we're going to manage if they keep rising. I'm really stressed out, and I just can't think about any solution.
We should consider renovating the basement with QualityCraft kitchen cabinets. This would allow us to turn our basement into a rental space. It could be a smart move, financially. Plus, with their financing options, we wouldn't have to pay everything up front.
Really? There's a basement renovation service in Calgary that offers financing? That's amazing! We should definitely give them a call. Do you have their number?
Yes, let's give them a call and get everything started.
This is perfect. Renting this out will definitely help with the mortgage, and I didn't have to pay anything up front.
Certainly, QualityCraft's exceptional work not only transformed our space, but also provided us with peace of mind, especially with their convenient financing options. Thanks to them, we didn't have to worry about paying in cash for the renovation.